Hi, Mike. My name's Amanda Meyer, and you know what? I was doing some deep research for another client, and I just happened to stumble across your website today. So what I went ahead and did was I took a look at exactly how it's performing and created you just a quick customized video to kind of let you know what's going on with your site and your business standing and your internet presence. So you know what? I hope this information is valuable, and let's just jump right in here. So how this all works is so when your future customers are searching for your services, right? What they do is obviously they enter in the search term into Google. Now, this is called a keyword. Um, so, for instance, landscaping university place. The first thing that comes up here is the local map listings, or also known as the Google Map Pack. I noticed you guys definitely have a Google business page and you're actually sitting in second, which is wonderful because ideally we want businesses to be in the top three spots, right? Because this is what's instantly shown on the search results. Here is your actual Google business page, and the pictures are great. Clearly, you take high pride in the jobs that you guys do, and the pictures are beautiful. What I would suggest, let me actually, you know what, I didn't mention. So this is for University Place. You're in second. Now I took a look at your website and it looks like you guys are doing service areas for all of Pierce County, right? So you want to be in the top spot in more than just University Place. Now, if I were to change this over to Tacoma, let's say, you're currently in 76th spot. Um, so again, I just wanted to showcase that this, ranking in the second spot for your Google business page is only for University Place. So nevertheless, your Google business page again is good. What I would suggest to rank this higher, grow your exposure and so forth for your Google business page is to get additional reviews. You've got 9 with your 5-star. That's wonderful. Um, your main competitors are sitting roughly, anywhere between 40 to 62. So definitely raising the amount of Google reviews you have would help tremendously. Also, citations. What a citation is anytime your business name, address, and telephone number is listed on Google, they issue you a citation for that. So you want to definitely not only be meeting the amount that your competitors have, but beating them out by roughly 40 or 50, because what that will do is that'll allow you to climb the ranks. And then once you maintain that high position, you obviously, want to stay there. So that would help tremendously with that. Now, again, that's just in reference up here to this local map listing section. This is where 30% of your business comes from. Now, 70% of your business comes from down here, which are the organic listings. So this is incredibly important. Again, like I said, I came across your website and that is right here. Now, your site's beautiful. It's got great graphics. The layout, I really like, the shining, essentially, the sun shining in the background. I love how your images move. Good site. It just needs to be optimized. And what I mean by that is, well, let me explain to you what Google does. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Google crawls the internet. What they're doing is they're looking for two key components. What they're looking for is command content. So that's all of this. That's anything, any word included on your website. What they want to see is 1,500 words of command content, but equally important, what they want to see are organic keywords embedded within this command content. Again, like I was saying at the beginning, the search terms that people enter into Google, that is your command content. So I did run the numbers on your site and it looks like you're running at about 644 words. So if the amount of command content was doubled, and then those organic keywords were embedded within, that would help tremendously, as well as on your service pages. Each individual service having its own page would help tremendously for one. For two, having a lot more content as far as what the service exactly is, and then embedding those organic keywords is what is, all included with fully optimizing a website and, bringing the exposure, bringing the traffic, bringing the customers, bringing the revenue, obviously, right? Now, your number one competitor is Olympic Landscape. So I pulled their site just to kind of show you what they've got going on. They've got a good, strong site. It is optimized to, the maximum with everything that they've got going on. They have detailed descriptions. They have the organic keywords that I was telling you about implemented into, every aspect of their site. So they've got service pages. They've got location pages. So for various different locations to target all that traffic to. As you can see down here, they've got location pages for all of these. Up here, they've got their services, everything that they do, a description of each with those embedded keywords. And then I just wanted to give you a more data focused idea of what's going on between both your site and their site, right? So I plugged your website into my Google crawler program. Now, the first two things, well, the most important things that I want to show you here, and there's a lot going on here, I totally understand. So we'll stick to, the concrete data up here. Now, your UR rating, this is the trust factor rating that Google assigns to your website. The DR rating down over here is the power rating that is assigned to your site from Google. These two numbers right here are determined by backlinks. Those are right here. What a backlink is essentially a shout out from another website to yours. And what that does is, number one, it gives you power. Number two, it gives you credibility. And number three, it gives you exposure. So these are really important. You don't currently have any of those organic keywords that I told you that were so crucial anywhere on your website. So with everything considered here, what that's doing is that's actually not bringing anyone to your site every single month on Google. So you've got a beautiful site. Unfortunately, it's just doing absolutely nothing for you. And there is an all-time high of traffic out there right now. So optimizing your site would do wonders for your business. I just wanted to also show you. So what I went ahead and did was I pulled Olympic Landscape again, put them into this exact same program, and I just want to show you what a fully optimized site does for the business. All right, again, just a quick reminder, we've got the trust factor rating here, the power rating here. Those are those backlinks. Shout out from another website. They're running about 1,600. They've got 1,100 of those organic keyword phrases that people are typing into Google embedded within their site. Now, as an overall, what that's doing for them is that's giving them an organic traffic rating of 894. What that means is that 894 folks every single month are going on Google. They're searching Google for the exact same services that you offer in the exact same area, and 894 folks every single month are visiting their site, getting additional information, retaining their services, whatever the case may be. The bottom line here is that is a ton of traffic to be missing out on, right? So just kind of a once over, just one more time. Again, if the tips that I had explained to you were implemented, so with your Google business page, again, additional reviews, pictures look good. If you wanted to add a few, you could, but definitely adding additional citations would help tremendously with your site. The addition of command content, not only on just the homepage, but your service pages as well. And then crucially important to add those organic keyword phrases and embed them within your command content. And then getting backlinks to your site, additional, looks like you've got two, but adding additional backlinks to your site would help you tremendously, because it would at least get you on the pages of Google and then start to move you up the ranks, because as of right now, there's not even any data. The site is just not seen by anyone searching for the exact same services in the exact same areas like I was saying. So, what, I hope this video has been informative. Again, just one more time, I do apologize for kind of bombarding you. I just was, I work with landscaping companies all across the state. This is what I do. And I happen to just stumbled across your website and took a look at its performance and definitely just wanted to educate you on what was going on. So I hope this has been valuable and I hope it's been informative. And if you are interested in finding out any more information, or if this is something, the growth of your business, if that's something that you're interested in pursuing, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I appreciate your time so much, Mike. Thank you.